myself like how God loves me. God loves self-love is the best love. Try to love none or else they will kill you with their fake love. Fuck love. Let me tell you, no one really loves you unless they're pretty dead or rich. They will never help you unless the pretty die. They will never help you unless you die. And before you die, they will spend a lot of time in your funeral. If you know you love me, if you really love me, if you sure you want me, come and show me the love before I'm dead and gone. Come and show me the love before I'm dead and gone. I will do a real one is this time. I'm my grave. If you know you love me, come and show me the love and make them put me to my grave. Niggas keep on saying they love me, but they never mean it. Pretending to love me, but I know it's like they hear me. How can you say you love me, but you never show it? Gave you my whole life, now you wanna kill me.